Alright guys, so we're here at our stage 2 reveal sa ADA. So tanongin natin si Ma'am Nicole. Ma'am Nicole, what are the 3 biggest realizations that you had today dito sa event natin sa stage 2?
Ayan, so hello Apex Digital Academy, and ayan, sobrang happy and grateful lang ako kasi bakit isa lang naman ako sa mga product ng EDA, and nakita ko talaga siya from the start kung paano siya nag-umpisa. And yes, right now, nagle-level up yung EDA, kaya sobrang happy ako, and alam ko mas marami pa yung mangyayari, and dapat sumabay talaga yung makakapanood nito.
Hi guys, so we're here sa stage 2 event po natin dito sa ADA. So tanongin natin isa sa mga affiliates natin, one of our top affiliates, Ma'am Angie. So Ma'am Angie, what limiting habit or thought or action will you let go after this event?
So, may nakasulat pa ako dito, tasahin ko na lang. So, ang nakalagay dito, I must avoid procrastinating. Dapat action kaagad, execution. Hindi pwede yung okay na to, hindi pwede yung pwede na to, dapat standard lagi to sa conference.
Hi guys, so we're here at our stage 2 event sa ADA. So tanongin natin isa sa mga top influencers natin, of course, sa pag-TikTok affiliate dito sa ADA. And of course, one of ADA's the grid members. So ito yung mga backstage natin ng mga trainers sa ADA. So Coach Jake, what uncomfortable but powerful thing ang gagawin mo this week after ng event?
Alright, so by the way, first of all, so yeah, my name is Jake Castillo, Jake Brecos. So one thing that I can do powerful na gagawin ko this week is to remove my procrastination and to do all of my best and to make my best version so I can serve to a lot of people who want to achieve their goals at a very young age, or to OFWs that are always dreaming na gusto nila makasama yung family nila here dito sa Pilipinas at gustong kumita or mahitin passive income through digital era. That's why I'm very grateful and thankful to be part of ADA or Apex Digital Academy.
Hi guys, so we're here at our stage 2 event dito sa ADA. So tanongin natin isa sa mga pinaka-top affiliates po natin, Sir Emil. So Sir Emil, ano nga ba yung klaseng leader na gusto mong maging dito sa ADA?
So hello everyone, so by the way, I'm Emil Fuentes, one of the ADA affiliates. So I want to become a leader na sobrang helpful and yet relatable, kasi as much as possible, I want to share my knowledge, my skills to all of my co-affiliates na matulungan din talaga lahat na pumaldo at magkaroon ng magandang resulta. And ayun yung gusto ko maging leader, na magkaroon ng good example for everyone.